Hello, this is Lucia with QOMO. I'm here today to show you our new ScannerCam 22. This model number is a QPC22 and it's perfect to use for both a document camera in this orientation and also a web camera in this orientation. This camera is great for portability as you can simply fold the camera over and remove the magnetic base. This makes it easy to pack into bags. It can also easily be moved around the room because it does have the fixed position of being parallel with the surface. This makes it easy to put documents under the camera without being worried that the camera will skew the image. The camera comes with a USB port, which is used to connect the document camera to the computer. Simply plug the square end of the USB cord into the document camera and the other USB cord into your computer. If you need to find the document camera software, visit our QOMO website and go to the product page. The QPC22 would be the product page, and scroll down to product downloads. Here you will find resources such as the Windows and Mac version of the Q camera and the quick start guide. When you have the Q camera software downloaded, launch the software. The first step is to select the camera. You'll see a device list where you can find the QPC22 and select the highest resolution. The other resolutions will work, but the highest resolution will give you the highest clarity. Click connect. The camera is now connected. Now you can write on the document. And if you want to change the brightness quality of the camera, you can go to the camera settings. The Q camera software also has different tools that allows you to annotate right on the document. It also has the ability to save images. If I want to split screen, I can click on the tilt and split. And that freezes a section of my image while I can annotate on the live image. If you have a document that needs to be viewed in the vertical orientation, place the document under the camera. You can also zoom in on the document. Or you can move the document camera to the side of the document. This will show you the full view of the document, and you can just simply rotate the document. To start a Zoom meeting with your document camera, simply launch a Zoom meeting. The camera does have a built-in microphone, so you can use the microphone that comes with the document camera. If you are having trouble viewing your document camera, click on the drop-down next to your video camera, and you should see the QOMO QPC22. Click on that and make sure to start your video. In the upright position, you can use your camera as a web camera. And whenever you're ready to share your documents, swivel it over again as a document camera. You can click on this drop down to toggle between your normal web camera and your document camera. If you notice that your camera is mirrored, be sure to check the video settings in your video conferencing software. In Zoom, there is a Mirror My Video button. There's even a rotation button in Zoom. If these features aren't present in other video conferencing softwares, go to Share Screen and select the Q Camera software and use these features through the Q Camera software. Another setting that I wanted to touch base on is that Zoom has an adjust for low light setting. For settings with low lighting, check this to adjust your image lighting. Well, this concludes my overview on the QPC22. As a reminder, if you want to use your document camera as a document camera, put your document camera in this kind of orientation, either on the side of your document or on the top of your document. And if you want to use your document camera as a web camera, swivel the head over. If you have any further questions about your document camera or purchasing this document camera, please contact us at hello@qomo.com. Have a great day.